Let's write our details loop function. Copy-paste the totals loop function below and change the name and the description where necessary. Then the only things you have to change is the word totals to details, add the parameter outer to how in the merging sections, store the metrics into a variable, and use the sorting function to return the pandas data frame. Lastly, as I have already mentioned before, there was a mistake in the while loop, where I have used the variable previous data to bind the result from the clean extract data function, instead of the variable transformed data. So please change this if you haven't already, in the totals and in the details function. Run the details function cell and test it, and we see that it works perfectly fine.